Hello children, welcome to Gokulam. Now we are going to draw a stroke, rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Reverse. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. See here, waves. Here ship. It goes roll, roll, roll. Continuously going like this. Reverse. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. An aeroplane in the sky diving, no? Rolling the hoops. Now rolling waves. Reverse action. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Reverse stroke. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. Rolling waves. It is like a waves rolling, rolling, roll like this, rolling. Waves, rolling waves. This is ship. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.